really proud of the Tennant brand. We've built it over 140 years, and it's a brand that to us really means quality, durability, reliability. And that's not just in our products, it's also in how we do business.
Tennant is a very high quality, very professional organization, dependable. You can rely upon the piece of equipment to deliver what you thought it would after reading the specification. And then from a quality control standpoint, you're not going to be surprised.
And one of the highlights of this show this year is our new T7 AMR, so our first foray into robotics. I'm really proud of what the Tennant team has done. We've been patient, we have been disciplined with our strategy. We didn't want to be the first to market, but our strategy is to be the first to perform, and we believe we've done that.
You know, just looking at your robot here today, it just signifies what you guys do each and every year. It's reliability, it's the salesperson, it's the technical people. You never have a problem when you deal with Tennant. That's why we enjoy doing business with you.